Today we're going to talk about diagramming subjects and verbs. We have a very simple sentence here, the boy walked. Okay, whenever you do sentence diagramming, you always start off with a straight horizontal line with a vertical line going all the way through it. The reason you do that is because there's different times in which this line will be shortened or in various places. So we're going to take our sentence, the boy walked, and we're going to plug it into the subject, always goes here. The verb always goes here. So we're going to erase that. And we're going to fill in the subject, which in this case would be boy. And then we're going to fill in the verb, which would be walked. We have an extra word here. The word the is actually an adjective, which we'll talk about later, what we're going to do with the adjectives. But if I want to diagram this adjective, I'm going to put it under the word boy on a slanted line because that modifies boy. All modifiers are going to be under what they modify. Now, if we have compound subjects, with the compound subjects, they're a little bit different. Here we have the boy and the girl walked. Once again, we have a horizontal line with the vertical line going through. Okay, so we find our subjects, but in here, this case, we have two subjects, so our line is going to be changed. I'm going to erase this line, pretend as if it's there, but then I'm going to make a divided line with a dotted line through it because I need to make sure that I have boy and girl represented here. So boy is a subject. The subject boy is going to go here. The other subject, girl, goes here, and it's joined by an and. So that will go here. Then I have the words the in front of each one of them, just like up above. The is going to modify boy. Notice where it goes, under the word it modifies. I also have a the for the girl, and I put that under girl. Then I have my verb walked. It's going to go in the same spot that it did before. Okay, then we're going to come over here to compound subjects and compound verbs. So now we have a compound subject and a compound verb in the same sentence. Okay, once again, I have the boy and the girl walked and ran. So I have boy as my subject, girl as my subject, same as I had before, joined by the conjunction and. I have the, which is going to go under boy once again because that's a modifier. The is going to go under girl because that's a modifier. Then I have a compound verb. The verb is going to look the same as the subject. So walked is going to go on the top line because that's my first verb. I always want to do it in the order. Ran is going to be my second verb. And then I'm going to put and in here because that's the joining word. And that's how you do subjects and verbs, compound subjects, and compound verbs.